Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, Exe Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on how you can get started with Alibaba.com, how you can get started as a beginner to advanced, and how you can actually procure from China using Alibaba.com and ship to whatever country of your choice. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and turn the notification bell so each time I post content about China importation, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can get started with Alibaba.com as a means of importation from China. Okay, Alibaba, a brief overview about Alibaba is that Alibaba is a wholesaler manufacturer. You are very sure of getting uh, quality manufacturer, suppliers, wholesalers for a particular product. And also, one very good thing about Alibaba is you can get a factory price, you can get quotes from any supplier. There is a wide range of products such as electronics. You can get products from electronics, you can get products from household items, apparel, etc. There are a lot of things you can do from Alibaba.com. One more good thing about Alibaba.com is that they have trade assurance in terms of you will be protected if you are buying from any supplier. So are protected and manufacturer also are protected, so you are guaranteed that you will not fall victims of any fraudulent activities as far as Alibaba.com is concerned. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get started with Alibaba.com. So first thing first, you need to go to your Google Chrome, and I'm going to make a new tab. Then you type in Alibaba.com. Okay, so the first result is what you're going to click on here. All right, so these are the stuff you can get from Alibaba.com. You can get shipping company, you can get quality products, you can also get from direct price, factory direct price, things like that. Okay, now if you're very new to Alibaba, you may be asked to continue to app. So if you click on here, it simply means that you're going to download the original app for Alibaba. So I'm going to click on here now to open in app. All right, so it's going to take me back to my Google Play Store. So what I'm going to do next is to click on install.
Hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories.
Once it's successfully download and installed, the next thing you can do is to click on open. You click on open right here. You can also get this app from your iPhone if you are using iPhone. So all you have to do is to follow this same procedure. Okay, so you click on open. So next thing you need to do right here is to click on registered or sign in. You click here. Now it take you right here. Then you can choose different options to sign in, whether you use your Google or use Facebook to sign in. Or use Facebook to sign up, or you continue with an email. So sorry for the interruption. So I'm going to use continue with email to register. Then you have to enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, you have to click on next. Right here, click on next. Then it take you right here. Then at this point here, you need to choose your country. If you are not a Nigerian, whatever country or you might be coming from, you just have to choose your country. Okay. So for you to choose your country, you just have to come here and select your country. So you can see these are the country that Alibaba are functioning. So if your country are here, you are good to go. It means that you can use Alibaba. So that is that. So once you choose your country, then you have to come here, enter your first name, enter your last name, and enter your password. Next thing you have to do is to click on next. Click on next right here. Then you'll be sent a code to this particular email address. So let's take a look at the mail and we copy the code. Okay, here is the code. Then we have to copy the code, select everything, click on copy. Then we have to go back to the registration page. And then we enter the code right here, paste, and then we click on create account. So once you successfully create account, it takes you back here. This is where you can see it will automatically log in you into the app. So you can see all the available products are here. One thing about Alibaba is that the price of the product here is not like uh, other Chinese e-commerce platform that you're going to see you hang. Okay, so price of product here usually be in USD. Okay, so you can come back home and see products from the home page at the light. So you can scroll down and see more products in the home page. One good thing you can do as far as Alibaba app is concerned, from the top right here, you can type in whatever product you are looking for, And also you can easily click on here to use picture search button. So when you click on this icon, it allows you to search products by uploading a picture into the platform. One very last thing about this app is that you can click on here to search for direct manufacturer, and also you can click on here to access your profile. So by the time you click on here, it takes you to your personal profile, whereby you're going to see everything uh, you are done. So this is what I have for you guys as far as beginner guide to Alibaba procurement and shipping from China is concerned. In my next tutorial, I'm going to give you guys more insight about using this app to procure from China and ship to whatever part of the world you might take your products to. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about China importation, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.